Muciĩ-inĩ munene wa Kampala bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda nĩkuo mũnini wa President Githure Kindiki agomanĩte na ayuthi muthenya wa Juma kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa ayuthi a kuma Afrika na aruna ao a kuma mabũrũri-inĩ ma Arabu.
This is a platform where the voices, ideas and aspirations of the young people converge to shape the future. It is a forum for solidarity, bringing together two regions with historic cultural and trade ties going back into centuries.
Kindiki akioya kanya kau kuririkania ayuthi ati mari na uhoti wa kuhe mabũrũri mao na thĩ yothe mwerekera maũndũ-inĩ ta ma ũrĩmi, wonjoria na maingĩ.
In matters economy and trade, the Afro-Arab collaboration should expand markets, create jobs and lock investments for young entrepreneurs. In climate sustainability, the youth must lead innovation in renewable energy, green economy, sustainable agriculture, and digital transformation.
Kindiki augete itaro cia Afrika na mabũrũri ma Arabu mari na namba nene ya ayuthi aria mari na ũingĩ wa igũrũ.
Africa and the Arab world are the youngest regions on earth, with more than 65% of our population below the age of 35. We are living not just with a demographic reality, but with a generational opportunity with huge dividends if well harnessed.
Ni atongeirie ayuthi a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ gũkorwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ ũthundũri makĩria ũthundũri-inĩ wa mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu ta ũhĩmbĩria wa AI.
Young people are already driving digital innovation from fintech startups in Nairobi to AI solutions in Dubai. They are leading climate justice movements, championing renewable energy in Egypt, Morocco, and Kenya.
Nĩ kĩgomano kĩrekinyĩtio ni President wa Uganda, Yoweri Museveni.
Here in Uganda, we had the same problems. That's why Uganda had failed. We had the politics of tribes, of religion.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Juliet Wadia wa Muthoni.